So we were having well trouble, so we decided to plumb this 400 gallon tank in, and I'll show you what we did with that. The neighbor came over and wired it in for me on a timer and the float and all that. So what we have is I plumbed in these so we can run direct from the well. The bottom one shut off now because the well is plumbing into the holding tank, and here is the holding tank in, and this is the line out to the holding tank, but that's plumbed in. We put in this timer and the float and all that's tied into it. There's the timer. We're just hooked up to the contact housing. And then from here's the holding tank pump. So the well fills that up, and then from there it comes into the pump, which pumps it back in to the house, and there's back out from the well. And I forgot to put a check valve in. Just got that done, so the water wouldn't back into the holding tank. And my timer's set for every 3 hours to come on and fill that up if the float says it needs it.